Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Jasper.ai to create a cash cow video script. In case you're not familiar with those types of videos, they're pretty much just top countdown videos, like top 10 best ways to get better at XYZ. Top 5 best software tools, top 5 best weight loss products, whatever it's going to be. So you can use these in a wide variety of niches. If you'd like to follow along, I will leave a link in the description. And if you click that, you can specifically get a free trial to Jasper. But not only that, a really cool bonus, which I'll have you have to check out to see what it is. Let's begin. The cool thing about this is that we're only going to be using 3 templates to generate this. It's kind of like a recipe as if I'm baking. I'm going to show you each of these steps to use. First and foremost, we're going to be using the video script hook and introduction. For this, just a random example I came up with, the 5 best reasons to start an online business today. I'm all about marketing and business, so let's use that. We're also going to be using the Listicle, which is a brand new template I've done a previous video about just to show you how it works, but this one will show you as well. And last but not least, we have our blog post conclusion paragraph. As you can see, I've already added in the information for each of these. And if we want, as an optional, if we want to add more information, I'll have the paragraph generator ready. But let's begin with the video script hook and introduction. So 5 best reasons to start an online business today. We're going to be excited. I'm just going to do one output. If I want to generate another one, we'll go with it. But let's see what we get when we click on Generate AI Content. All right, so here we are, hook. You're probably wondering why you should start an online business today when there are so many other things going on in the world. That's a good point. But I'm here to tell you that there are 5 best reasons why now is the time to take the plunge and start your own business. Hey, it's James, and you're watching this video, then you're probably considering starting your own online business, and that's a great idea. In today's world, there are more opportunities than ever before to create a successful business, but with so many choices out there, it can be hard to know where to start. That's great. I like that one. Let's copy this. What I'm going to do is very quickly open up a Google Doc and I'll paste all the information there. So let's go to that. All right, so I added that in there. What I'm going to do is just remove where it says hook, where it says introduction. And of course, I'm just going to remove this and put my name real quickly. So just like that, we have the intro and hook done for our YouTube video. Now we're going to move on to the actual listicle aspects. So we have this template right here. Like I said, brand new template. This one's fantastic. I talked about the best 5 reasons. You could do 6, you could do 10, you could do more. It's up to you, but we're just going to go with 5. Obviously, if you want to extend it, you're going to know how to do that. Right here, you can go to list count and do more or less. It's up to you. Let's generate AI content and see what we get. All right, here we are. We have a good amount of information, and sometimes, just because I've noticed before using the listicle, it is still in beta. Sometimes it'll be very short. It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's done. But that happens every now and then. They're still polishing it up, but this is some good content right here. Just looking through it, less overhead, easier to reach a global market. Let's copy this, and what I want to do is just paste this in here. So each of these is going to be these sections, and there we go. So you can work from anywhere. Let me go back over here and we'll read it. One of the best things about starting an online business is that you can work from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. This means you can travel and still make money. You can also work from home, which saves you money on childcare and commuting cost. You have more flexibility. You can be your own boss, less overheads, easier to reach a global market. I'll keep that up for a little. Like if you wanted to pause that and read it, it looks good just skimming it over, but that's going to be pretty much the meat and potatoes of the actual video overall. Like I said, you can extend that if you wanted to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's really going to be up to you. Now we have our conclusion because we have the beginning, we have the middle, and of course we have the end. So let's go to the conclusion. And it says, what are the main points or outline of your blog post? Just because it says blog post doesn't mean we can't use it for a video script, right? So I just put 5 best reasons to start an online business. And at the bottom is going to be some type of call to action, or just you want to let them know something, leave a comment. I said, did I forget any big reasons? You see this a lot where, say, people are doing like a top 10 action movies ever. And at the end, they're like, did I miss your favorite movie? Let me know down below. It's a great way to get some interaction. That's just what I chose to go with. You could put something like, click the link in the description, sign up for my newsletter, get my free training, check out my other videos. It's up to you, but let's click on Generate AI Content and see what we get. Usually this one's a little bit shorter. Okay, there are so many reasons to start an online business today. It can be hard to know where to begin, but hopefully I've outlined a few big ones that will get you excited and motivated to take the plunge. If you're still not sure if I missed your reason for starting a business, leave me a comment below. I would love to hear what drives you and why you want to become an entrepreneur, and who knows, maybe I can add your reason to my list. Thanks for reading. Now go out there and make some magic happen. So we just have to change 2 things, if you couldn't tell very quickly. Let's do this. We can actually remove conclusion paragraph. We know it's a conclusion. And thank you for watching. Just a simple change because we're doing a video. So just like that, I don't know how quickly that was, but that was a very easy way of creating a script. Now remember, I have the actual paragraph generator up here. If you wanted to add to any specific section, maybe you wanted to add a little bit more, or maybe you wanted to add a new reason, this is where you could do it. So for example, if we had 6 reasons and say like, hey, you could also go back to the listicle and just do one and talk about it, but you could also do paragraph. Let's say off the top of my head, what's a good reason for, starting your online business? So let's go back over here. Okay, so let's say we wanted to add one more. I just put starting your online business is beneficial because you get to spend more time with your family. Overall, this is like a freedom type of thing. Let's click on generate AI content. Anyone who has ever dreamed of starting their own online business knows that it can be a lot of work. But what if there was a way to start your own online business or own business and spend more time with your family? They're becoming increasingly popular and for good reason. Not only do online businesses give you the flexibility to set your own hours, but they also allow you to work from home, which means you can be there for your family when they need you. In addition, so on and so forth, spend more time with your family, be your own boss, and so on and so forth. A little bit of overlap, but not bad because we talked about being your own boss in a specific one, but we can paste that in there. And what we can do, I think this was what I put, spending more time with family. So that's just an example. If we wanted to extend it, this should be capital. Yep, you got it. And I think that you get the idea from there. Let me see what the word count was. Okay, so 670, not like the word count is as big of a deal when you're doing a video. You can always lengthen it, you can shorten it. That's going to be up to you when it comes to each of the listicle section. And of course, if you wanted to add more, you could utilize paragraph. Or if you wanted to talk more about each of these specific sections, you can put them in the paragraph generator as well. I really like that one. It's great. It's very flexible. And that overall is how you can use Jasper.ai to create a cash cow script. Anytime you want to count down something or do like the 7 best, the 5 best, the 9 best, the 10 best, this is going to be great for you and all your video needs. And heck, even if you don't want to create a video, you can use these for articles as well. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Once again, I will have a link where you can test out Jasper, free trial, and a nice bonus from me. And that about does it. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.